Hi guys, welcome to another video. In this video, we are discussing about a rendered image of a new Jimny which I personally got excited. Before that, we are going to discuss a little bit about the Jimny. The current generation Jimny is based on ladder frame architecture, which is the best for off-road vehicles. It has got 3-link rigid axle suspension at the front and the rear, which offers a very good wheel articulation. The Jimny is powered by a 1.5-liter naturally aspirated petrol engine which produces 101 bhp power and 130 Nm of torque. In addition to the rigid axle suspension at the front and rear, Jimny has got 37-degree approach, 28-degree rollover and 49-degree departure angle, which makes it a perfect off-roader. The Suzuki has included a technology called All Grip technology, which surprisingly behaves just like a differential lock. It is actually a wheel braking setup which is controlled by ESP. In this illustration, you can see two non-gripping wheels. What this technology does is that it applies brake to the non-gripping wheel so that the entire torque is transmitted to the wheels having grip. The Jimny is a vehicle having a traditional transfer case with the three positions 2H, 4H and a lower gear position 4L. Anyway, our discussion topic is not this version, but it is this, the 5-door Jimny. Actually, the image you see here is a rendered image which is inspired from Jeep Wrangler. The major changes he has made is with the doors, the rear view mirrors and the front grille. These doors are typically inspired from Jeep Wrangler. You can also notice that the rear view mirrors are also taken from Jeep Wrangler. There is a indicator placement we can see on the sides. Though this is a rendered image, the designer has managed to put 5 doors with a slight increase in wheelbase. The designer also made the bonnet also a bit more flat. The next noticeable change is in the front bumper. Now let us take a closer look at the front side. The grille here is a 7-slot one, so it is inspired from Jeep. The headlight is also redesigned. What quite surprising is that the approach angle is better in this rendered image than the actual one. A slight change is also made with the design of alloy wheels. In real world, it is going to be a tough task to redesign the current Jimny to a 5-door version because it will affect the capabilities of the vehicle. But this image still gives us a ray of hope that the Maruti will redesign a 5-door version for the Indian market. Or at least the Maruti should launch the 2-door version in India because the Jimny has got a huge fan following in India. Let us hope Maruti will introduce Jimny in India. So guys, thanks for watching. Please do subscribe to the channel. We have very few number of subscribers. So please subscribe. Thank you.